Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today I'm lucky enough to have a lovely package sent to me from BeeBeeCrafts. So if you don't know about BeeBeeCrafts, they are a fantastic company. They have craft supplies, they have wonderful beads and jewellery findings and all sorts of lovely stuff on there. So there's just an array of stuff, so you must go and take a look. All sorts of things. So if you go and take a look and you fancy buying something, you can use the code G5 GI5, and if you spend $40 you'll get $5 off. Now there is another thing. If you are a YouTuber yourselves and you have more than 100 subscribers or 100 subscribers or more, you can be part of their YouTube program, and that means that you can contact them. I'll pop the link down below, and they will send you a little package for you, or you can pick some stuff from their shop and you can do an unboxing as well. So that is really exciting, because it's lovely to get some bits and pieces sent to you. It's like Christmas. So every detail there is will be under the video, so please do go and take a look. So I'm going to take what we have in here, I'm going to open it up. I did have a little peek. I'm going to take it all out because my camera doesn't like white, it goes all blurry, so I'm going to get rid of the bag. Look at all these lovely goodies in here, fabulous. So I'm going to start off with this one. Now I want to have a look at this because you know how much I like doing resin work, and I have got some of these which are, they're like little mason jars, and they are little metal sort of bezels. Oh, let me just get some scissors. Little metal bezels which you fill with your resin and make little charms, which I am dying to have a look. And I've also got this. It comes with this, and this is the tape. So when you tape it down, you tape them onto it. I will do tutorials for all this stuff, but first video it's just going to be having a little peek at what we've got. These are lovely. Oh, you get 3 different colours on here, so let's just open them up. So they are like little mason jars. Oh, they're quite thick. Oh, they're nice. So you can just fill them in with your resin, and then you can pop little bits inside, and the tape is what you stick them to. So you put this onto a flat surface and stick that on there, oopsie daisy, and then you fill it with resin. So I'm excited to do that, and I did. Let me have a look. I got some lovely shiny sequiny bits as well that I picked. So I'm hoping these aren't going to be too big to go in the little jars, and then you can have these beautiful little charms. I do like their boxes. Now I do like when things come in these lovely little boxes, because that means that everything is kept all lovely and safe. Look at all these. Now I'm hoping some of these are going to be, look, perfect. So you've got these beautiful little shiny flowers and beads and sequins to pop in there. So that is exactly what I wanted to do. Look, then you can just get a little, you can probably get, I've got a couple of let's have a look, where is mine? Got little bulb pins here, but you can pop it onto anything. Look at that, you can hang that off one of your journals then. So oh, I'm excited to make those. How lovely. Now let's have a look. Jumping the gun there, let's have a look, see what the other colours are. So we've got gold, and this is sort of like a brassy colour. Actually it's almost like a rose gold, which is really pretty. So we've got silver, rose gold and gold. So they are gorgeous. So they are really lovely, aren't they? So let's just have a quick measure. I don't know how big they are. So if I do it in centimetres, that's 3 centimetres, or so that's just sort of like just over an inch. And then they are like 1.5 centimetres, and that's about 3/4 of an inch. So they're quite big, and they're quite nice. So that will be exciting to make. So I'm looking forward to that. So that will be probably a video which will be coming up soon. So I will have a play with those and see what we can come up with. It'll be exciting to put lots of different things inside, especially if you're making a journal. You can have something that matches your journal. So, and then this is the tape. So this is supposed to be not as sticky as, because I've been using packing tape, and this is supposed to be a lot better. It's not supposed to leave the back of it sticky. So we will try that and see how that goes. So let's pop that to the side. And then we've got all these beautiful colours. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 different colours in here. So we've got the beautiful green. Shall I tip some out? Let's go for the beautiful purple, because you know how much I like purple. Let's see what these are like. I'm probably going to end up making a big mess, but look at that. I don't know what I've got all over my hands. It's all different colours. Look at those. Aren't they just gorgeous? And I thought those just floating around in some resin would look beautiful, wouldn't it? Look, I'm losing them already. Gorgeous. Look at the little circles. And then we could actually add these. These are almost like little bead caps. That's nice. And then we got some little seashells. Fabulous. I love them. I don't have any sort of shiny sort of different shape sequins, so these are beautiful. So we have purples. I knew I'd make a big mess everywhere. Pop these in there. Pop that there. So we have a beautiful green, which has almost got like a gold tinge to it. We have a pink. I think they've all got like that sort of like goldy tint to them. Oh, I like the white ones. They're gorgeous. And we got orange. It's almost like 2 different oranges there. Well, they've got different shapes in it. These ones have got round ones in. Look at those. Very pretty, really pretty. So fabulous. They will look lovely in there. Look lovely in any of your resin work as well, and beads. Now I'm going to pop those to the side. Or let me just put them in there. Probably going to make a big mess. Oh look, we've got a little stray one there. Let's pop you on there. Okay, what are these? Oh, I know what these are. These are little butterflies. Little butterfly charms. Does that pull off? Let me just cut this off. These I ordered. Oh look, they got, oh, are they dragonflies or butterflies? How do I open them? Look, they're all safe in these little pots. I love these, really good. Well, there are dragonflies and butterflies in there. How lovely. I thought they would look really nice on, gosh, you get loads. They would look nice hanging from the little mason jars. That's why I got these. Let's put those away, look. If you've got like a little jump ring, I don't know if I can open it up. There we go. Look at that. And then I thought that hanging off the side, wouldn't that just look so pretty? You've got a lovely little bit of resin in there, and these hanging off the side. Beautiful. I love the dragonflies. Look at that dragonfly hanging off there. Oh, what a fabulous charm. Now I'm going to just put them in my hand because I want to have a look. So we've got different butterflies there and dragonflies. They've got beautiful colours, really, really pretty colours, aren't they? Absolutely gorgeous. I'll do a close-up of these at the end of the video, some pictures, because they are really, really pretty. Look at them, they are gorgeous. I'm loving those, and fabulous little charms on there for all sorts. And you know how much I love my butterflies. I do like these little dragonflies. They are lovely. Fantastic. Oh, I am so excited to be making it soon. And then I've got these, which are stamps. Now, these are they're almost like background stamps, textured background stamps, and they are lovely because I do a lot, well, not a lot, I've just started doing a little bit more art journaling, and these are like little foam backs. Let's have a look. I can take it off. There we go. Stick it on the back. So this would stick onto your little thingy. What have I got here? You can stick onto your little acrylic block, and then we will stamp them. They are beautiful. I am loving those, and they are all sticky, so they will stick down. Let's just turn them over so you can have a look. I hope that's not too glary. Let's have a look. Now I think you can probably see. Fabulous background stamps, aren't they? Really, really lovely. Oh, I'm excited to use these. So I would definitely, I'm going to be doing videos anyway to show you how to use them. So I am just loving them. And they are really big. And they look, whether you can see them, the quality is really good. I'm loving them. So I will give those a go. Oh, I've got lots to do. How exciting. So let's pop those to the side. And the last thing I got from them was this great big bag of stamps. Now these all come in a big set like this. And this was, I think it was the butterflies and bees. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packets. Wow. So we've got butterflies and bees on here. Look at these. Look at these beautiful flowers. So we've got these ones. Can never have too many butterflies. Fabulous. I like this one. There's our bees. Make some beautiful tags with these. Let's have a blooming marvellous day. How lovely. And look, we've got dragonflies in there as well. That's nice. Look at that. Lovely flowers. Be happy. Got a lovely honey pot. That's what I could have done with the other day, with some honeycomb. That's lovely. Look at that. Oh, I like that big bee there. Oh, how exciting. Butterflies. Yummy, yummy butterflies. Look at that. Oh, that's got like a dream catcher there. That's lovely. Fabulous. Okay, guys, these are just amazing. So we've got some beautiful stamps. Shall we just take them out so you can have a look? Actually, I would like to look at this one. Shall we have a little look? Let me put these. I don't want them to be shiny, so it's glaring up on you. So let me just open these ones up. Look at that. Gorgeous. Really, really lovely. So again, these are just ones that you pop onto your acrylic block. So they are the silicone stamps. So you just take them out, pop that onto your acrylic block. I do like this one. That's beautiful. You can probably see it a little bit better like that. Let's put it back onto this. That's really, really lovely. So we shall see how they stamp out, but the quality looks really, really good. And then you just stick them. My acrylic box a bit grubby, but that looks lovely. So I will be giving all of these a good stamp. I will stamp them all out onto some paper and see how they come out. So they are absolutely gorgeous. So there we go, guys. That is a fabulous unboxing. So I will be using all these beautiful stamps like this. So this is, I think it was, did I say it was the butterflies and bees, but they have so many different ones that you can pick from. It is really hard to choose things in there because you want everything. Well, I would like everything anyway. So there we go. So we've got our lovely stamps, we have our beautiful little charms, I have the resin which I will be doing, and you get these, the tape with the resin little bezels as well. And I'm going to be adding in some of these beautiful little sequins. So there we go, guys. Look out for my next video because I will be using all this yummy stuff in it. Thank you so much to BeeBeeCrafts for sending this to me. And thanks, guys. I will see you soon. Take care, stay safe, and have a fabulous day. All right, guys. Bye-bye.